Hello, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start with another writing skill, which is diary writing. Students, many of you write diary. Do you know what is diary writing? Diary writing is personal writing and informal writing. There are not such rules how to write diary. It gives the events, the information about the events of one's life on the particular day or particular occasion. And the information is private and should be honest. No one writes the diary thinking that it is going to be published one day. Then also, one should be honest in writing diaries. As I told you, there are not such formal rules to write the diaries. Then also, some of the things you have to keep in mind as the writing skill, which I will discuss with you. See, while writing your diary, you have to put day, date, and time at the top. Day, it is not necessary, it is not compulsory to write the day, but it is compulsory to write the date and time. Okay, here also you can write in any, there are two ways to write this time. You can write the time just below the date, and you can write the time just on the right side. Okay, so there are two ways. You can write time here also, 10:30 p.m. Okay, then it is important that you should write diary before going to bed. When you are preparing yourself to go to bed, at that time you will write diary. See, here also the time is written 10:30. Okay, so diary is written before going to bed. Then it is not necessary to write diary every day. You can write on any special day or occasion when you feel something different, or you don't feel like doing so, writing diary, then you can avoid it. But it is all your personal asset. Okay, diary is a sacred document and you should keep your diary in private place. Your diary entries should be purely informal. You can end up your diary with informal greeting as you have spoken to your friend. You may sign it or you may not. As I told you, it is a completely informal and personal, so you can write in your way. But the important thing you have to keep in mind is this thing. Okay, then everything in the diary is optional, but treat your diary as living human being who is the other you. Give respect to your diary. You can write any topic in your diary. Okay, so format I explained you. There are not so many things to remember. Only date, year, and timing. Timing should be before going to bed. Here, before you, one sample is given. The title is You Stood First in the Terminal Examination. Write your feelings as a diary entry in about 100 to 120 words. Now you have to limit your words. Your limit is given 100 to 120 words. Okay. The topic is You Stood First in the Terminal Examination. In terminal examination, you got first rank and you have to write your feelings as your diary entry. So here date and year is given. Write the date same as you write in letter writing. On whichever day you are writing, you will write that date only, and time before going to sleep. Today is one of the happiest days of my life. So today is one of the happiest days of my life. I am very happy today. The excitement does not let me sleep, and because of the excitement, I cannot sleep. And what is the excitement? I have secured first rank in the terminal exam. The excitement is that I have secured first rank. Our class teacher declared the result of our class in PTM, and the result was declared in PTM by our class teacher. When she announced my name as the first ranker of the class in meeting, I became very happy. When my name was announced as the first ranker, I became very happy. There was a lot of appreciation from the management. From the management means from the principal, from the trustee sir, okay, and my parents also. So all the people, they admire me. So my joy knew no bounds. My joy knew no bounds means I don't have any limitation of my happiness. My parents also felt very proud of me, but they also felt that God's grace has much to do with every important event. As we all know that there is some role of God also in our success. Okay, so my parents also felt that God's grace has much to do with every important event in our life. So in the evening, they took me to the temple nearby where we all bow to God in thankfulness. We all pray to God in thankfulness. Okay, and last you will leave one line and write your name. You can also write bye, you can also write good night. Okay, because it is informal, you can treat your diary as your friend. So this is all about diary writing. I hope you understood this topic. Now you will write this topic in your compo notebook. Okay, you will write this topic in your compo notebook. Second thing, I'm giving you homework. You have to write 5 sentences about your daily routine. Okay, I'm giving you the easiest topic. You have to write 5 sentences about your डेली रूटीन एज डायरी राइटिंग. ओके, आप लोगों को डायरी राइटिंग में अपना डेली रूटीन लिखना है. एटलीस्ट 5 सेंटेंसेस तो आपको लिखने ही है. और वो 5 सेंटेंसेस में आप लोग ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे कि सुबह मैं उठा, उसके बाद मैंने ब्रश किया, उसके बाद मैंने शॉवर लिया, उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट किया. वो सब कुछ एक सेंटेंस में कंप्लीट कर देना. ओके, कंप्लीट योर डेली habitual routine in 1 or 2 sentences, and after that you will write the important events of the day in other 3-4 sentences. Okay, so that will be over for your diary writing. Okay, you should have the practice of diary writing. It will be helpful to you in many ways, from the exam point of view also and from the personal point of view also. Okay, I hope you understood this point. We will meet in next lecture. Bye.